Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 11th September and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. Don't skip the video, you will miss the details of the current affairs and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. Which state will launch first in India air ambulance service? A option Karnataka, B option Maharashtra, C option Andhra Pradesh, D option Manipur. And the right answer is A option Karnataka. The Chief Minister of Karnataka has launched first integrated air ambulance services at Jaggur Aerodrome, Bengaluru, and it is the first air ambulance operating from South India to provide services for medical emergency. Let's know more about Karnataka. The governor of Karnataka is Pledgebot and the chief minister is B.S. Yediyurappa and the capital is Bengaluru. Second question, how many number has been declined in India's child mortality from 1999 to 2019? A option 8,24,000, B option 7,130, C option 6,13,000, D option 4,56,819. The right answer is A option 8,24,000. According to levels and trends in Child Mortality Report 2020, India's child mortality rate has declined from 3.4 million in 1990 to 8,24,000 in 2019. And the report was prepared by the United Nations Interagency Group for Child Mortality Estimation. Let's know more about United Nations. The Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres, and the headquarters of United Nations is in New York in United States of America. Third question, which mutual fund will launch in Children Benefit Fund? A option HDFC Mutual Fund, B option Access Blue Chip Fund, C option SBI Mutual Fund, D option ICICI Prudential Fund. And the right answer is C option SBI Mutual Fund. SBI Mutual Fund launched SBI Magnum Children's Benefit Fund, that is investment fund, which is an open-ended fund for parents to invest for their children, and the fund will have a lock-in for 5 years or until the child attains the age of 18 years. Let us know more about SBI Mutual Fund. The headquarters of SBI Mutual Fund is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the managing director and Chief Executive Officer of SBI Mutual Fund is Vinay M. Tonse. Fourth question, which cricketer will become brand ambassador of Pledgebot? A option Smriti Mandhana, B option Bhuvneshwar Kumar, C option Virat Kohli, D option Rohit Sharma. And the right answer is both A and B option. Smriti Mandhana and Bhuvneshwar Kumar will support Pledgebot to widen the reach of the brand among the target audience. Pledgebot provides a platform for the sports enthusiasts to connect with sports over a virtual platform with a customer-centric approach. Let us know more about the cricketers. Smriti Mandhana, who comes from Mumbai, Maharashtra, is the only second Indian cricketer to feature in a foreign T20 league. Let us know more about Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Bhuvneshwar Kumar made his OD debut in 2012 against Pakistan and made his Test debut in 2013 against Australia. Fourth question, with whom did India sign $500 million agreement for Delhi Meerut Regional Corridor. A option International Monetary Fund, B option Asian Development Bank, C option State Bank of India, D option World Bank. And the right answer is B option Asian Development Bank. India has signed a $500 million loan agreement with the Asian Development Bank for founding the 82-kilometer long Delhi Meerut highway and with a design speed of 180 km per hour and high frequency operation of every 5 to 10 minutes. The 82-kilometer corridor connecting Sarai Kali Khan in Delhi to Modipuram in Meerut, Uttar Pradesh is expected to reduce the journey time to about 1 hour. Let us know more about Asian Development Bank. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Philippines and it is the members of 68 Asian Development Bank are a member of 68 countries. The president of Asian Development Bank is Masasuko Asawaka from 17 January 2020. Fifth question, which state government will collaborate with UK-India Business Council to strengthen industrial development? A option Andhra Pradesh, B option Telangana, C option Uttar Pradesh, D option Odisha, and the right answer is B option Telangana. The UK-Indian Business Council renewed its memorandum of understanding with the Industries and Commerce Department in Government of Telangana, and this will bolster the industrial development of the state. Let us know more about Telangana. It is formed on 2 June 2014, which is also called Telangana Day, and the capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. The governor of Telangana is Tamilisai Soundara Rajan and the chief minister is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Sixth question, how much amount of money would India's agriculture grow in 5 years? A option $14 billion, B option 24.1 billion, C option 33 billion, D option 44 billion. And the right answer is B option 24.1 billion. India's agriculture technology sector has the potential to grow manifold to $24.1 billion in the next 5 years, according to a new report, with a turnover of $204 million. India's agri-tech sector is at under 1% of its market potential today. Seventh question, who is chosen as the Global Bank of the Year for World's Best Bank? A option Development Bank of Singapore, B option Bank of China, C option Swiss Bank, D option Bank of America. And the right answer is A option Development Bank of Singapore. Development Bank of Singapore has been recognized as the world's best bank for the third time consecutively. The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Development Bank of Singapore Bank is Surojit Som. Next question, which state has inaugurated Bir Savarkar flyover? A option Maharashtra, B option Karnataka, C option Uttar Pradesh, D option Madhya Pradesh, and the right answer is B option Karnataka. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa inaugurated the Bir Savarkar flyover in Bengaluru, and the inauguration of the 400-meter long flyover built on Major Sandeep Unnakrishnan Road in the city. The Bengaluru Civil Road body Bruhat Bengaluru Manakara Panigar built a flyover at a cost of rupees 34 crore. Let us know more about Karnataka. The governor of Karnataka is Vajpayee Bhalla and the chief minister of Karnataka is B.S. Yediyurappa and the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. Next question. Which state chief minister will flag off South India's first kishan rail? A option Uttar Pradesh, B option Madhya Pradesh, C option Kerala, D option Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is D option Andhra Pradesh. The country's second and South India's first kishan train was flagged off from Anantapur in Andhra Pradesh to Adas Nagar railway station in Delhi. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and the Union Minister for Agriculture Narendra Singh Tomar flagged off the train via a video link from New Delhi and Amravati. This train, loaded with 14 parcel trains, will cover a distance of 2,550 kilometers in 40 hours. Let us know more about Andhra Pradesh. There are three capitals of Andhra Pradesh: executive, legislative, and judicial. The executive capital is Visakhapatnam, and the legislative capital is Amravati, and the judicial capital is Kunnur. The governor of Andhra Pradesh is Vishwa Bhushan Harichandan and the chief minister is Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Next question. Which three countries decided to work together in 5G technology? A option India, Israel and Russia. B option India, Russia and USA. C option India, Israel and USA. D option Israel, Russia and USA. And the right answer is C option India, Israel and USA. India, Israel and USA recently held a summit virtually, and during the summit the countries decided to work together in 5G technology, which highlights the trilateral summit was initiated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the visit to Israel in 2017, and the outcomes of the summit were not disclosed due to security concerns. Let us know more about Israel. It is the country in the Middle East region, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem. The Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu and the currency is Israeli shekel. Next question. Which city will host the third annual Indo-Pacific Business Forum? A option Abu Dhabi, B option Hanoi, C option Prague, D option Copenhagen. And the right answer is B option Hanoi. The third annual Indo-Pacific Business Forum is scheduled to be held in Vietnam capital Hanoi on October 28 and 29, 2020, and the Indo-Pacific Business Forum will be conducted via a secure online conferencing platform, and there will also be an person participation in some of the events. These are the top 12 current affairs which I have listed for your upcoming exam. I hope it will help for your upcoming exam. If you like my current affairs and my style of teaching the current affairs, then don't forget to hit the like button with share button, my friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.